Antoinette, some bus drivers and students told us that the buses were really running late this morning. We saw one little girl waiting up the street from us here for 45 minutes out in the freezing cold. That's how late her bus was this morning. Some parents ended up driving their kids to school.
I literally live right behind here. There's no way the buses can get in.
Frustrated mom Abigail Ayala hoped her son's bus would meet them in a parking lot close to their Roslindale home.
This is not even his bus stop. So they're not prepared. Definitely not prepared. This is ridiculous.
His bus couldn't make that off-route stop.
Okay, well, we're here now. I guess I'll have to drive it in.
Has anyone go out on the road and see what's going on? No.
This Boston Public School bus monitor says the buses ran behind schedule from the start. Some delayed because snow was piled up inside, most because traffic crept along narrowed down streets.
The first run ran 20 to 30 minutes late to get the students to school, and we did not pick up half of the kids because of the side streets. I think it's a liability for the drivers, monitors, and it's very unsafe for the students.
In a post-blizzard press conference, Mayor Michelle Wu said school would be open today despite the nearly 2 feet of snow that fell in Boston on Saturday. The path uphill, at least one way in snow and ice, proved tricky for students on their way to Roslindale's Phineas Bates Elementary School.
I feel like, at least the sidewalks are plowed, but maybe they should have closed at least today till they made sure that everything was safe enough for the kids.
Now, some parents did tell us that they were happy that school was in session today and there wasn't another snow day. We have reached out to the Boston Public School Department multiple times this morning for any more information about how late those buses were, but we have not heard back yet. We're live in Roslindale. Jennifer Egan, WCVB News Center 5.